Alright, here to check out a car with a no crank no start issue. No lights on the dashboard and the headlights won't even turn on. I'll start by testing fuses because I already checked the battery voltage and it's good. Okay, think I found the issue. It's a fuse that looks to be blown. Can't test it, but you can clearly see if it's blown. And there's another one that looks to be blown under the hood. This type of fuse I never changed before, so not really sure how to remove. Looks like it's bolted in the fuse box. It's getting dark, so I'm just gonna go buy the new ones and replace the next day. Alright, next day let's get this job done. I'll start by disconnecting the battery and remove it for more room. In order to get that fuse out, looks like I need to pry out the entire fuse box. Gently trying not to break because it's all plastic. There we go, came out nice and smooth after removing that connector. There's the bolt that was preventing me to pull the fuse out. There we go. It's bolted down both sides, and it was a different size bolt. There's a lot of wires in the way on this side, gotta be extra careful. Now time to pop in the new one and bolt it down. Now time to put the box back in its place. Careful not to pinch any wires. Connect this wire back and tighten down. Putting the fuse box back in place. Now let's get that battery connected back. Now I'm gonna pop this other fuse in place and should be it. Connect the negative battery post and time to crank her up. There we go, now looks to be working like it should. All done, thanks for watching.
There we go, boy. Fuck yeah.